No more gas and oil. No more loud noises. No more gas and oil. No more noisy motor.
Hang on. Upon a do
Black and Decker or Green Station?
Black and Decker.
Black and Decker.
Good morning, Howard.
Signature though, down on this line and dated.
Okay.
You want your chain?
Yeah, I gotta have it. Thank you so much.
All right, man, go green.
Very good.
Mower Ray says, it's all you, Ray.
Excellent.
Okay, up. Just
How long you been doing this, Dick?
5 times we've done it in the last 6 months. So.
It's a great program.
Okay.
I'm gonna put that.
This week, chicken of the sea chocolate.
Oh, here you go, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
excellent.
All right. Thank you.
There you go. Could have been over the top.
So some assembly required, huh, boys?
Tighten up some screws.
Black and Decker brought it all out today, that's for sure.
How easy to do.
Easy. All you do is you're going to reverse. So you're just going to take the wire back out and push wire through it.
It's all about going home now. Soon to be a lawnmower. Let's open the box. What you want to do first is charge the battery. Without a battery, it ain't gonna work. It's not like just putting gas in it and pulling the rope. We got. They made it easy enough to do it with a hand wrench. Become an expert. Read instructions at a young age. Take my advice. One, two, three, and the job was done. It does on its first charge. I left it unplugged last night. We're going to try to mow the lawn. Use this safety key here. Simple recycling plan. And to finish up the job, we use a Black and Decker blower. Very good. Worked better than I thought. One battery charge. The battery seems to still have plenty of charge. Mowed my lawn. My lawn's not very big, but it's perfect for me.